In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the autosave extension. If you have viewed my previous video on autosave demo, you will see that I provided a link and you can download the extension as a ZSP file as seen in my commands folder. Once you have the extension downloaded, you can double-click the extension file package to launch the extension manager as you see below. If you want to view more about what this extension does, the author, and how to contact the author of this extension, you can click on the description tab. So now I'm going to proceed to install, so I will click on License tab. Under the License tab, all I need to do is choose Accept. So now I have the extension successfully installed and it will be listed under the extension panel here. Okay, now let's try to run the command. To run the autosave preference toggler command, go to your Fireworks. Under the command menu, look for the preference, and you'll see there's a command called autosave pref changer. This is the command to toggle whether you want to turn on the autosave or turn off. So if I click, you get to the next screen, which will prompt you to enter the number of minutes value. So by default it is 1 minute. If I want to set Fireworks to prompt me to autosave other minutes, I can enter other values here. I can enter 5, which means Fireworks will always autosave my document at each time interval of 5 minutes. So once you click OK, you can restart Fireworks. The next time when you launch Fireworks again, the autosave command will kick in.